First Cry, we are the Asia's largest brand with the 2000 multi-brands. Basically, the brand is for all the multi-brands we have. Apart from that, the First Cry brand, starting for the newborn babies, what we require initially phases till the teenage.
Okay, ground, swimming pool, indoor facilities अशा पद्धतीच्यो यावेळी कित्याक सांगले तर गोंयांतल्या ल्हान ल्हान शहरांनी अशा पद्धतीच्यो फॅसिलिटीज आमी अवेलेबल करून दिल्या आणि प्रायवेट एंटरप्रेनर्स तेंच्यांनी अशा पद्धतीचे शोरूम्स ओपन केल्या उपरांत लोकांक गोंया भायर वचपाची गरज ना.
I will request Avti Babs, like how you have made all the brands come together as First Cry, you can start something in Goa where a lot of entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs can be taken on board, and First Cry brand made in Goa you can start here. So please look at that operation model also, because you are looking at other operation models.
तुम्ही एक बरी सोय केली हांगसर आणि अशें तुम्ही करचे तुमचे अशेंच भरभराट जावची अशी मागता आणि अशीच तुम्ही गोंयभर आनीकय शॉपां अशी हाजी डिफरंट भुरग्यांची सगळी मेळटा ती सगळी तुम्ही गोंयभर उगडची.